S6 CS, Programming in Python, elective subject. We can discuss the important topics. Module 1, Basics and Control Structures. In that, first question is a waterfall model. Second one, pattern printing. To print a pattern using nested for loops such as star, number pyramids, or alphabetical sequences. Then math or series logic. Practice evaluating Taylor series such as e raised to x, sin of x, or cos of x series up to n terms. Then basic programs, focus on programs checking prime numbers, Armstrong numbers, or finding the sum of digits. Then coming to module 2, data structures and functions, dictionaries. Expect a question on counting character or word frequencies in a string or file and storing them in a dictionary. Then file handling, practice writing a basic text file, reading it, and counting specific elements like four-letter, word, or integers. Then recursion, learn how to write a recursive function for factorial, GCD, or Fibonacci. Then cryptography, the Caesar cipher encryption or decryption problem appears multiple times. Then to module 3, graphics and GUI, turtle graphics, memorize basic turtle commands such as forward, left, right, and fill color. You will ask to draw basic shapes like a hexagon, square, star, or pentagon. Then image processing, learn the code to convert a color image to grayscale or black and white, as this is asked repeatedly. Then GUI, learn the basic template of a tkinter app, including importing tkinter, creating a window, adding labels, entries, and buttons, and using main loop. Applications are usually simple, like an age calculator or a currency converter. Then coming to module 2, object-oriented programming, class creation. Learn how to define a class with an init constructor and various methods. Frequent examples include student, rectangle, circle, and complex number. Then operator overloading. Learn how to use add it overloading for complex numbers or time or distance objects. Then inheritance. Know the theory and basic syntax for single, multiple, and multi-level inheritance. Then exceptions. Understand the try except finally block structure. Then module 5, pandas, numpy, and matplotlib. Pandas, you will be given a sample CSV table and asked to write code to read it, print the first 5 rows, and filter it for specific criteria. Then write to CSV, learn how to write a nested list or a dictionary into a CSV file. Then numpy, learn how to create a 2D array and perform matrix addition, multiplication, and transpose. From matplotlib, learn the basic syntax to plot a line graph, sin of x or cos of x, or a bar chart, including how to add labels, titles, and legends. Then from Flask, this is a guaranteed part A question. Almost every PYQ asks for a definition of Flask, its basic components, and or its use in web development. Then write down the code for a turtle, hexagon, or star. Write down the code for pandas, reading a CSV and filtering. Write down a class for operator overloading. Read waterfall model steps. Memorize the definition of Flask. Thank you.